All right, this is the start of the 2018 trip down to the Amish country in Ohio, Berlin, Ohio. We got 10 Model A's, 21 people.
I do have 6 pair of pants.
A couple of moderns.
No.
And we're all set to go. Tony, you gonna make it? You gonna make it?
Let's get out of this state.
Okay.
I'm looking for the Buckeye luck.
Oh man, I don't know if she could be any cuter.
So yeah, so did you have a good ride?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful day. Okay, so it all starts here. If you will take an order and rip out the lumber, you know, back and coming down the other side, so double the full door, you know, complete door. And we'll go around and try to get it. So I take that panel, bar panel, side panel, outside extra, put it all over there. Adjusting that pressure, you can make that thing come right to the point. This tenon is cut out of this piece of wood. In other words, the machine will miter it and leave this tenon behind. And here we cut a mortise into it. So this has a perfectly fit, you know, from one piece to the next. The way we do this, so we don't make a mistake, we do a tenon on one end of the piece and a mortise on the other end. So you never have to worry about too many tenons or too many mortises. Wrap piece of wood. He's putting an apron together to make a fully round apron. Okay, so there's a half round. He's got the other end of it here. So what he'll do is he'll mortise the slotting here, put a tenon in to hold it together. Okay. Then he brings it back here and cuts his face frames, puts it all together. A router system, you know, it all the different rates and stuff, and preps everything, and then it goes to sanding. So we'll go out this direction, head across, make sure that there's no dents or nothing, and stretch wraps it up, and then it goes to the finish shop. We do not finish here just because we don't have the space. And it's like we tan in the sun. And, you know, it's just, you can't keep it from getting dark unless you use black wrap. So, Alaska, we have a very big customer in Alaska. So, yeah. PO number, the item number, color, everything. And then at the bottom you'll say Barkman Furniture. And the date. And I think. So you can always trace back, you know, if a friend comes to your house and they want a piece like that, where did you get it? You know, which store, and a plate on the bottom. Actually, there's one straight out where you just came from. There's one assembled. Again, after the machine sanding is done, the final hand sanding is here. You see all the side lights, the back to the draft booth, sanding booth. And get it done. Because custom is much more complicated, it's not standard. Right. And so if he becomes good for an issue, that part doesn't work, he's not having to find the next guy, you know, I just change. he just makes it work. And
How long you
They
been?
just get them all ready for skein and ship them out. They stain them and polyurethane them or they're going to do it.
How long you been building furniture?
About 3 months.
3 months. How do you like it?
Pretty good.
Great. How old are you?
14.
14. Great for you.
ice cream too, so we're trying to go outside and get the ice cream while they're eating. They'll probably browse around looking at the car. He's gonna dip the ice cream for you and just help yourself. We got syrup and you guys need chairs to sit down or
We'll find some place to sit.
walk around or.
Oh, she's dishing out the ice cream. And brownies.
Oh, he's got to have a brownie. Maureen, this is for you.
Line again, to the end. I'm just gonna move this over.
Are you girls your family?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. Do you work here too? No. Well, the ice cream's wonderful. Thank you. Holy cow. Fantastic. Anybody else? Okay. We need to have a meeting. You're 4 years old, right? 4. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And what about you?
14.
14. Oh, I asked you that, didn't I? Or is everybody here 14?
Not quite.
How old are you?
Really old.
10. Oh, boy, can you drive that thing? Can you ride a horse? And you are 14?
No.
How old?
11.
11. Oh, boy. Can you ride a horse? Can you ride a horse?
Somebody else, he might give you more rides. Is that it? Are you okay for another ride? Does anybody else want to ride?
He's got my ice cream.
That was a big hill.
Yes.
These are the spectators. Found some shade.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, this is some
How's the ice cream?
We're dying off. I mean, kids will get it. First thing you ask, how fast. It don't go very fast. That I don't want it, eh? No. So if you're gonna give me that piece.
Ja, die wil
Du wil. Der yes, I do a little. Watch this is that video. I do one. Get me thumbs up.
Do the ice cream.
Thumbs up.
So.